Hi, I'm Devin from MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today I'm going to show you an in-stock Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This 17 Montauk has the leaning post option, the 115 horsepower command thrust Mercury, the two back jump seats. They are removable, so if you need to get them out of your way, it's easy. Bimini option. This boat also has the fishing package, which includes the cooler seat up front with the backrest and 4 fishing rod holders. Here, also a part of the fishing package, is a couple of tackle boxes. This boat does not have a navigation option. However, you do have a choice between a 7 and a 9-inch Simrad touchscreen with a transducer for fish finder. This boat does have the bow cushion, and up front you have a locker for any storage you might need for lines, fenders, life jackets. Just forward of this locker, you have an anchor locker. They are both self-draining and above the waterline. You have a good amount of cup holders on this boat as well. 2 cup holders here on the side of this cooler seat, and another 2 cup holders on the other side. And you also have 2 cup holders on top of the console here. This does have an integrated bilge pump as well. It is not self-bailing. So if you have any questions about this boat, or if you want to get one on order in time for this season, please give us a call here at MarineMax Westbrook.